is that a standard format? I know that there are certain informations will actually be in the CV lah. For example, like
The
personal
CV, yeah, correct.
biodata, right? My education background, my achievements, my tenureship, right? I think that is pretty standard. That are the pretty much the must-have in the CV, right? But in terms of the formatting, I think we are actually quite flexible about it. Okay, as long as the CV is not too long.
Not too congested, I'll say.
Yes. Don't be too long. When I read the CV, like what Silly said, right, I just realized that your job description is copy and paste from your JD. So there are certain things that I'm quite pantang about, okay? And in terms of CVs, right, please make sure you write proper English, proper, when the word's supposed to capitalize it, right? Your fonts and everything, just make sure that it's aligned properly lah. So the content and the look and feel is very important. But how you do the content and the look and feel, right, is up to individual's creativity.
For easier viewability, right?
Correct.
That's true. I think for Sully also, anything else to share regarding the CVs?
No, I think there is no fixed format. It depends on what your keyword you use, how you call out your achievement, and in every employment you landed to. So make it simple, precise, and straight to the point. I think that is a keyword.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and then also like May earlier shared that your CV must tailor or custom made to the role that you are applying for.
Correct.
And you have to understand what the job that you're applying for, what are the requirements of the role. So then you modify a bit of your current CV to, of course, it's not creating the story, is not match you, something that you can do and something that you can fit into the role. Yeah.
I felt that is the biggest general rule of the thumb, right? Share what is factual. Right? Share what is factual. Don't oversell yourself, right? But you must know what are your individual USP, unique selling proposition, and what can you bring to the table. I think that is very, very important. But never fake a CV. Never fake a CV.
That's true.
That is the shortest way to unemployment.